Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to take care of your quartz watch. First, always keep your watch dry. Unless it's specifically designed for water, avoid swimming or showering with it. Next, regularly wipe down the case and strap with a soft, dry cloth to remove dirt and oils. Finally, store your watch in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight or extreme temperatures, to protect its internal components and exterior finish. When your quartz watch battery dies, replace it as soon as possible. Leaving a dead battery inside can lead to leakage, potentially damaging the delicate internal movement. It's best to have a professional replace the battery to ensure proper sealing and avoid scratching the case back. Also, try to keep your watch away from strong magnetic fields, like those found near speakers or certain electronics, as they can affect its timekeeping accuracy. For a deeper clean, use a soft bristled brush, like a toothbrush, to gently clean around the lugs and between bracelet links. This helps remove accumulated grime. While quartz watches require less frequent servicing than mechanical ones, consider a professional checkup every 3 to 5 years to ensure seals are intact and the movement is functioning optimally. You might also consider a crystal protector for added scratch resistance. To truly extend your watch's lifespan, always handle it gently. Avoid dropping it or subjecting it to harsh impacts, which can damage the crystal or internal components. When adjusting the time or date, do so carefully, following the manufacturer's instructions to prevent stress on the movement. Remember, a little care goes a long way in preserving your timepiece. Also, for other great deals and the link to those amazing socks, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.